OTIS OTIS rules!
Okay, welcome to the building in the street. These are some nice old Otises, and they're being modernized. So let's take a look at this lift, which is supposed to be this lift. And what the hell? The ground for cool barn is being done. Lighting, tiling, cab. It doesn't look that kind of bad to be in place, but yeah, it's getting modded. It's just bad. It's very shame. I'm ashamed of this. Welcome to floor 13. And yep, they've appealing. Oh, look at this! Oh, I thought that was touch sensitive. Oh, it's very interesting. Which is where we're gonna get more. Okay, my camera just cut out. Here is the lift. Ground. Yeah, the basement's locked. Wait, why a basement? That's weird. Is it a low basement or something? Or they're just the lift itself? Okay, ground. So yeah, oh yeah, here's a clue about the new lift. So it's not the new lift, and then look, that is interesting. D2 fixtures. Here we go, it's on that. That's it. Good news, kids. Lift is ready to be running. Key on mod. Take a ride in it. Yes. 13. Here you go, D-line modernized. Isn't actually bad. Ground. D-line. This isn't actually bad. Using 19 kg for 13 persons. Ground, and there it is. Oh, she had the implant that time. As you know, we'll watch it try one floor. You'll watch it go up one floor. It's not just. Let's watch it go there. But watch it go to 2 and see. So what happens? Oh, it actually shows it. Interesting, and yeah, cool button. There's D-line. That is it.